Jesse, let us begin with Scrap.
Sure, Harry.
What is Scrap?
Scrap is a web scraping tool designed to extract large volumes of data from various websites efficiently.
Key concepts here are web scraping, data extraction. Explain how Scrap operates within legal parameters. Common mistakes candidates make here are ignoring website terms of service. Why is web scraping important?
Web scraping allows businesses to gather and analyze competing data for market research, enabling informed decision making.
Key concepts here are market research, data analysis. Connect importance to real world business cases. Common mistakes candidates make here are overlooking data quality and validation. What are the ethical considerations in web scraping?
Ethically, scrapers should respect robots.txt files and obtain consent, ensuring they do not overload servers or violate privacy.
Key concepts here are ethics of scraping, legal compliance. Discuss potential legal repercussions. Common mistakes candidates make here are failing to check a site's scraping policy. What challenges are commonly faced in web scraping?
Common challenges include dealing with CAPTCHAs, dynamically loaded content, and anti-scraping measures by websites.
Key concepts here are scrapping challenges, CAPTCHA handling. Provide examples of challenging sites. Common mistakes candidates make here are underestimating website changes. Can you give a use case for Scrap?
A practical use case for Scrap is monitoring competitor pricing, which allows businesses to adjust their prices in real time.
Key concepts here are competitor analysis, pricing strategy, link use case to business needs. Common mistakes candidates make here are not considering the legal implications of price tracking. How can you implement a simple web scraper in Python?
To implement a web scraper, I would use libraries like Request for fetching content and Beautiful Soup for parsing HTML.
Key concepts here are Python web scraping, data parsing, focus on libraries and methods. Common mistakes candidates make here are overloading a server with requests. How can you handle pagination in a scraper?
To handle pagination, I look for a next button linked and modify the URL accordingly to fetch subsequent pages.
Key concepts here are pagination handling, dynamic URL building, mention potential loop strategies. Common mistakes candidates make here are not accounting for the last page. How can you manage CAPTCHA while scraping?
Managing CAPTCHA requires integrating third-party services like 2CA, PTC, HA, which can solve these challenges for you.
Key concepts here are CAPTCHA handling, third-party API integration. Discuss ethical implications of bypassing CAPTCHA. Common mistakes candidates make here are not explaining CAPTCHA types. What is a best practice for data storage after scraping?
A best practice is to store data in structured formats like CSV or JSON, which allows for easy analysis and retrieval.
Key concepts here are data storage best practices, CSV handling, mention data integrity and format. Common mistakes candidates make here are storing unclean data without validation. How can you ensure the accuracy of scraped data?
To ensure accuracy, implement validation checks like verifying formats, checking for missing values, and cross-referencing with known datasets.
Key concepts here are data validation, error handling. Detail the validation process and criteria. Common mistakes candidates make here are failing to validate hand-typed or manual data inputs. That concludes the interview.
Thank you, Harry.
Subscribe for more insights on web scraping. For such content, do like, subscribe and share.